In this video, we are unboxing the torque wrench set. Small torque wrench. Range 5 Newton meters to 25 Newton meters. Medium torque wrench. Range 20 Newton meters to 120 Newton meters. Large torque wrench. Range 0 Newton meters to 220 Newton meters. The main purpose of this tool is to solve the issue that a standard ratcheting wrench cannot apply precise torque to bolts, prevents under-tightening, which can cause bolts to loosen during driving or operation, leading to rattles and other problems. Also prevents over-tightening, which can strip threads or crack components. This set includes 3 torque wrenches with different torque ranges. Please select the appropriate one based on your application. We use the medium torque wrench as an example. We will see the scale markings on the handle. Pull down the lock ring. Rotate the handle to adjust the torque setting. Set it to the desired torque value based on your specific application. After adjustment, release the lock ring to lock. On the ratcheting head, press the button to install the socket. After the socket is installed, release the button. With the selector lever pushed to the left, the ratchet drives counterclockwise for tightening counterclockwise threaded bolts. With the lever pushed to the right, the ratchet drives clockwise for tightening clockwise threaded fasteners. This torque wrench is designed for tightening only. Do not use it to loose or remove bolts. It will damage the internal spring mechanism and affect accuracy. When not in use for extended periods, set the torque wrench to its lowest setting. For storage to protect the spring, using a large 21 mm long socket to tighten the lug nut. This is just for demonstration, using lug nuts as an example. First, set the torque to the specific value. Pull down the lock ring. Rotate the handle. Set it to the specific value. Then release the lock ring. Press the button on the ratchet head and install the correct size socket. We are using the large 21 mm long socket. Move the selector lever to the right. Position it on the target bolts. Rotate the handle. Stop when you hear the click sound. The bolt is now torqued to specific. There is also a protective cap on the back of the torque wrench. After removing this end cap, we can calibrate the torque wrench from the center. The above demonstration is for instruction only. In actual use, please select the appropriate torque wrench based on the bolt's size and vehicle application.